Coming to antidepressive drugs. Antidepressants are those psychotropic drugs which are used for the treatment of depressive disorder. These have also been called as mood elevator and thymoleptics. Isoniazid was found to have mood elevating properties in some patients suffering from tuberculosis in the year 1951. The first tricyclic antidepressant imipramine was used in the year 1958 by Thomas Kuhn. It was different from phenothiazide by only a replacement of sulfur with an ethylene linkage. After this small structural difference, imipramine was no longer effective as an psychotropic antipsychotropic but instead was quite beneficial in depressed patients. Antidepressants have no euphoriant effect when administered to normal non-depressed individual. Next, coming to the indication for providing this type of drug. Number one is depression. Under depression, there is depressive episode with melancholia, depressive episode with psychotic features, dysthymia, reactive depression, depressive equivalence and masked depression, atypical depression, secondary depression and abnormal grief reaction. This type of condition we use antidepressant drug. In child psychiatry, we use in enuresis. We use this drug in attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, school phobia, separation anxiety disorder, somnambulism and night terror. Next, coming to other psychiatric disorder also, this antidepressant drug is used, and the other psychiatric disorders are panic attack, obsessive compulsive disorder, cataplexy, aggression in elderly, eating disorder, borderline personality disorder, depersonalization syndrome, post-traumatic stress disorder, generalized and anxiety disorder, nicotine dependence and alcohol dependence. In this type of disease also we use antidepressant drugs. Next, coming to the medical disorder where we use the antidepressant drugs. In case of chronic pain, in case of migraine pain and in case of peptic ulcer disease also we use antidepressant drugs. Though these are medical condition, here also we use antidepressant drugs. So these are the indications of antidepressant drugs, means in which conditions we can use antidepressant drugs. Thank you.